In this video, you will learn how to make the basic shape of part number 6, the axle peg. To begin, open a new part file. Make sure you have it in the correct project file. To start, draw a line from our origin straight up, 1.125. Turn this line into a center line by clicking on the line and then clicking on center line in the ribbon. Now, draw a line from the top of our center line to the right. Dimension this by clicking on the end of this line and the center line. This dimension should be 0.25. Now create a circle with its center point on the center line and the outer point on the end of the line we just drew. Dimension this circle to have a radius of 0.472. Now draw two lines above the center point in our circle. One long going to the right and one short going straight up. The dimension for the shorter line is 0.031. Now dimension the longer line by clicking on the top of the short line and our center line. The dimension for this is 0.422. Now we need to set a restraint for our two newly drawn lines. Select the coincident constraint. To use this, click on the top of our short line and the outside of our circle. Now trim the extra part of our circle. Next, draw a line straight down from the top of our axle peg, 1.00, and another line going to the left, lining up with our center line. Dimension this bottom line by clicking on the corner of our axle peg and the center line. This dimension should be 0.25. Trim the line that separates the top part of our axle peg and the bottom part. Finish your sketch. Use the revolve tool to create the part. This concludes the video on how to make the basic shape of part number 6, the axle peg. In the next video, you will learn how to put in the details of the axle peg.